Hi everybody, it's the RetroYuuki once again giving you guys a special Mudae bot tutorial. Today I am going to show you guys how to make your very own moderated Mudae bot server for your friends. What you are looking at today is my own server with the help of a new admin. So I did not do this by myself. Most of this is by myself. But what I'm going to show you is how to moderate your own server and correctly make your own channels. So I have a new server for you. Let's take a look at it, shall we? So what I have here is a blank empty server other than Mudae game area. That's our category for today. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and start making this server. Make sure you guys have a Discord account and make sure you guys have access to a few things, including the internet, before making this journey. First, we're gonna be making our admin server, our admin channel. Go ahead and do that. Channel is admin. This is only for the admins. So as you guys already see, I already have the Mudae bot installed. All you have to do to install this particular bot, go to the internet, go to here, go to this site right here. I'll link it in the description below. Go to invite. You'll see something like this. You will see something like this particular screen. Select your server for your Mudae bot experience. Press continue. It will ask you to verify you're not a robot. Check that box. You're fine. You're good to go. You're authorized everything, okay? Now let's go back to our server here. Let's take a look. So that's what we have so far because we have not started this. The admin channel is very important. Do not touch it just yet. What we will do is add a new channel. Make sure you add category and then name it Mudae game area, whatever you want to call it. But something important for Mudae. Right? Let's go ahead and click this plus sign. Let's make a channel called news. Now this particular channel is only for you as the admin. So we're going to start with our moderation commands from the Mudae game. $ channel deny, and it's everything. So the shortcuts are all roles, all mod, all waifu, all other, all games, and all Poke slot. Okay, press enter. You basically disable the game on the news channel. Okay, so you're fine. That's it for the news channel. What you're supposed to put here is any news on your server for the game. For example, if you're going to do a Thanos snap, bites the dust, Requiem, and anything in the form of bites the dust, that's where you announce it here. And you'll be good to go. Our next channel is the real stuff, the claim game. We could create a channel using the plus sign, and we're going to go claim game. Okay? This is where the good stuff happens. We're going to deny almost everything. We're going to do channel, deny, and we're going to be doing all mod, all waifu, all other, all games, and all Poke slot. Okay? However, we're also going to allow, channel allow, we're going to allow $W, $WG. And the reason why we are allowing these particular two is because these two actually fall under the all waifu category. Because you denied all waifu, these two would also be denied, but you override it using channel allow. So once you've done this, we're good to go. Test it out by using $W, $WG, $H. $H is actually waifu, so I'm gonna channel allow that. $H and $HG. So we're good to go there. And yeah, we're good to go. And I'm going to claim one person just because I need to, for the sake of our next part, which is the claim list. That is important too. The claim list is the area, or the channel I should say, where you should be able to show off your claims, your characters that you claimed in the claim game. Plus sign, claim list. I'm gonna put it as space, claim list. That is your show off. You show off your claims. We're going to moderate first. You always moderate first before you do absolutely anything. Because once you miss out on the moderation part, you're in trouble. So, channel deny. All roles, all waifu, all games, all other, all Pokeslot, and all mod. $, channel allow. We're going to allow Kakera, and each time you have to make another allow, you have to space it and you have to do a $. So $, Kakera, $DK, $MM. Okay? And $MMR. Or let me see what we got. I know there's one where you can make a ranking. I don't think that's it right there, but those are. So $MM, and the reason why we claimed somebody earlier is so that we can show this off. So right now I have one particular claim, and that is whoever this is. Okay, I just chose because I needed one for our example. Okay, so that's how you do this particular channel. All right, and if we do $DK, that's our daily Kakera. Unfortunately, I used it already. So what this does is allows you to get Kakera daily, but it's only available every 24 hours. So therefore, I cannot use it again. Now, let's go ahead, move on to number 5, the Waifu Arena. Now this one is up to you. And the reason why it's up to you is because I don't see many servers use this particular part of the game. However, for the sake of completion, I will actually do it. So +, Waifu Arena. All right. Here's the difference between what you just saw. You actually deny everything. Channel deny. We're going to channel deny all mod, all waifu, except for one command. I'll show you which one. All games, all Pokeslot, all other, and all roles. Okay. The one exception that you want to allow is MM. And I'll show you why in just a moment. Oops. Channel allow $MM. The reason why you want this command is in the Waifu Arena. This should be the only command that should be allowed along with the regular Mudae game. That's because the Waifu Arena bot is actually operated by a different bot called Mudae GM. To get this bot, dollar sign help. It will give you a DM. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. What you are looking for is this particular link in the Waifu Arena section. This is important. You want to get this link into your server. Let's go ahead and show you the process of the link authorization. Mudae GM is important in the only for the Waifu Arena. Because our server is the test game, that's my server name for our example, we're going to be using that. But make sure you put your own server in there. Authorize, and then click this button, and you be good to go. Going back to our server here, we should be able to see that we have our bot. And we do. As you guys can see here, Mudae GM. Now, the reason why we wanted to deny the other commands is because the Mudae bot, in terms of Mudae GM, does not have an actual command with the Mudae game. Okay, they actually have their own set, and unfortunately, some of the commands cannot be turned off. Most of them cannot be turned off because they're essential, particularly for the Waifu Arena game, I should say. The reason why we allow $$ is for references. So the real command here is arena. Now, you may have noticed that there is something called info arena. This is Waifu Arena's story mode. I will cover this in a tutorial later down the line. That's one of the tutorials I actually have planned for the next 2 or 3 weeks, so stay tuned. So the reason why we had to allow $MM is for references. Now, in terms of moderation, you're actually done. But just to showcase why that $MM was important, let's go ahead and use $MM. This is important because you want to reference who you want to be in your fighting arena. And then you use skills, the character name, Malora in this case, and then four numbers that add up to 5. So 0, 1, 0, 2, 3, and 1. So 4, 5. I'm going to allow that one more time. Channel allow. And then we're going to allow skills. Okay. $ skills, and then Malora. In terms of my character, 0, skill 1, 0, 1, 0, 3, 1. And we're good to go. Then $MMF. Okay, so Malora is in my fighting roster in the Waifu Arena. I actually have a separate tutorial for you on this particular channel. So make sure you guys check that out. Now, in terms of our moderation journey, let's now head to our other favorites things to do, and that is trading. So let's go ahead and make a new channel, and let's call this trades. Whatever you want to call it, as long as it's like waifu trades or something, you'll be fine. Here's what you want to allow and deny. Channel deny all roles, all mod, all Pokeslot, all other. You may have noticed I don't have all waifu. Here's why. Some of the commands in all waifu actually coincide with our trading. For example, give is one of them. Had I denied all waifu, then this is no good. This command would have been denied. Okay? One other thing we need to deny though, a few other things. Dollar sign, channel deny, dollar sign W, dollar sign WG. We also want to make sure that those are also denied because they are part of the claims in terms of rolling. You do not want somebody to accidentally roll a character in the trading channel. They want to roll in the claim game channel, so be very careful. W is for waifu of any kind. WG is specifically for video games. Just to give you guys a hint. Okay? In terms of moderation, you are okay as long as you understand why you have to deny this and deny this. Okay. Now, what do you allow? Most of the ones you allow are good to go. Just make sure that you also allow give Kakera. The reason why is because some servers, depending on the admin and depending on the rules, allow you to trade Kakera for characters that they have or trade Kakera with each other. But please remember that is up to admin's discretion. I'm allowing that on my server. But because I have two admins, I have to check with them first before going with me, before I make the final call. As the owner of my own server, I make the final call. I will be in touch with other admins. Be very careful. Touch with your admins first before making any type of decision because it affects the entire server with your members. So please be very careful when doing any type of changing rules. Okay? That's why we have the news channel for you and the admin channel for you. That's why I want you guys to incorporate a admin and news channel for your moderation of your Mudae game. Okay? As far as moderation goes for waifu trades and all that good stuff, we're good to go. Badges. We're gonna make a new channel for purchasing badges. This one is for those of you who want to purchase badges with your Kakera. Now, channel deny. Let's see what we need to deny. Channel deny all roles. We're going to deny all mod, all Poke Slot, all other, and all games. What's missing here is all waifu. Part of that is because we want to make sure we understand how many Kakera we have. We're going to also channel deny $W, $WG. We want to make sure we also deny that because they're actually part of multiple categories. Now, how do we purchase badges? Make sure we purchase badges. We want to $bronze, $silver, or $gold. That's how you purchase badges. But let's say you want to change the prices. By rule, here's the rule on purchasing badges when it comes to prices. That's why I have my admin channel for you. $, let's say silver value. And as you guys can see, if you choose one of these particular commands, you can change the value of level 1 of that particular badge. For example, let's say you want to change the value of bronze. That is why you have the admin channel for you. Okay? $, bronze value X. And X can be as many as you want. Be very careful. Remember what I said about touching with your admins. Remember to talk with your admins before changing values of badges. Just because they are not part of the main game doesn't mean you can just, oh, all of a sudden, I'll do whatever I want. No, 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 no. With the Mudae game, friendships have been broken with this game, guys. I have already had a few of those instances on my channel, so let's not do that. So make sure you touch up with your admins before going on and changing values of prices with your badges. Don't do that without permission, even if you are the owner. Okay, so you choose up to 10,000. I think that's 100,000 in terms of the number here. So make sure you don't go over that. Okay, so you'll be good there. Now, keep this one open for your admins and your moderators. That's fine. As far as badges purchases, in terms of moderation, after you have done that, after you have done these two particular commands, you should be good to go. Okay. Next channel is only for those who want it. It's the Pokemon slot game. This is not really a one that affects the claim game, but I'm going to do it anyway for the sake of completion with the bot here. So this is a Pokemon slot game. Basically, there's going to be a so-called slot machine for your Mudae game, but it's for Pokemon. If you want to use add this particular feature in terms of moderation, you deny everything except for PokeSlot. $, channel, deny all mod, all waifu, all games, all other, and all roles, of course. Channel allow all PokeSlot. This is why we've been using this for last, ladies and gentlemen. Do not allow any other commands to have nothing to do with the Pokemon slot game. So to start this game, just put $P. And congratulations, I just got myself a Zigzagoon. That's how easy this game is. What can you do? Trade. You can release Pokemon. You can check your Pokédex, whatever you guys do with Pokemon. There is, however, a bot called Pokeverse that allows you to trade Pokemon. I'll cover that particular bot at another time. We're not talking about that one today. That's gonna be 2 years of content coming down the line. So we'll see. One more particular channel I would like to introduce to you. At this point, the main game has been covered. I do, however, want one more channel for you. And this is going to help you guys a lot, especially if you're like me who gets a lot of questions about this particular bot. And that is actually a questions bot. Channel, excuse me. Questions. And this is basically channel deny everything. $, channel deny all mod, all waifu, all roles, all other, all PokeSlot, everything, and all games. Okay? That's it. That's how you do it. This is basically your time, your chance to ask questions if you have questions about the game or anything about that. That's where you ask them when it comes to an actual server. Like for example, my server has a questions, Mudae questions. And we have questions and we have like suggestions, all that. That's where you put everything. Okay? You may have, however, noticed I have some other channels like game guides and general. That's your basic like Discord server stuff. Game guides, however, is more on my server like tutorial videos. Okay, like a guide. So I've been doing Mudae game for about I think 2 years now in terms of tutorials and all this good stuff. So that's why I actually have a game guides channel. But it's not necessary for like the Mudae game. I just happen to make tutorials for you guys for the Mudae game. That's why I have a game guides channel. But it's not necessary in terms of the game itself. What is necessary is the claim game, claim list, Waifu Arena, Trade Arena, badges, Pokemon slot, and questions. That's it. The other stuff are mostly for testing purposes right now. And if you have like some sort of giveaway and stuff, go ahead and put that. But that's up to you in terms of like the server. My goal here was to just to give you a look at how to moderate your own server in terms of the Mudae game. When you are done in the admin category channel, I should say, make sure you do this. That is why we save this for last. Channel deny everything except all mod. Channel deny all games, all waifu, all rows, all poke slot, and all other. That's it. You have officially completed the part of the Mudae game. Now, I would always check out to make sure everything is correctly done. Because sometimes things can go interesting wrong. But we're good. You're good to go. And that is how you moderate your own server for your Mudae game. A Facebook page is if you guys want, show off your claims, whatever. That's up to you guys. But in terms of this tutorial, we are done here. That is how you do your Mudae game server for the Mudae game. Invite your friends, invite your Mudae friends and all that good stuff. Join the server and all that good stuff. My server will be linked down below if you want to play. And check out these other tutorials for more Mudae Game Madness. I am your host, the RetroYuuki, saying, good luck on the Mudae. Roll, roll, roll your dice.